All right. Who is speaking first?
I'll speak first. Okay. Gentlemen of the press, my name is Dr. Nwanosike Samuel. I am the chairman of River State Environmental Waste Management Agency. Standing with me is the managing director of the agency, Dr. Ibimina Amakri-Wokoma. We're here to inform the people of the state and Nigeria at large that after consulting with the leader of the state, His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara, JSSROS, we have been properly assured of all the support we need to be able to make sure River State is clean and to carry on with our day-to-day activity and to see that the people of River State live in good health. Subsequently, we also want to seize the opportunity to inform the people of River State that the originally proposed environmental sanitation exercise that was supposed to hold on the 4th of October is hereby put off until further notice. This is to allow us build more capacity in tackling the issue of refuse management in the state. The governor wants a different approach and to put a human face to make sure the people see through waste management and to give them the best of it. It is the governor's wish that our people live in health. He is also aware about the little challenges as it concerns blockage of the drain, which are activities caused by our people who use their refuse to block our drain. His Excellency has also given directives on actions to take, and days after now, Rivers people will enjoy the dividends of democracy in the actions of making sure our refuse are properly managed, provision of new dump sites, properly managed dump site, landfill engineered dump sites, and giving us all the infrastructures we need to make sure that we are able to achieve the needed results. His Excellency has also assured us that he will build the capacity that is required by both the board and management, provide an enabling environment for us to work and to see that we give the best in this action plan that he has laid out for us.
First people, my name is Dr. Ibimina Wokoma. I'm the Managing Director of the River State Waste Management Agency. We've just met with His Excellency and briefed him on our activities, including the environmental sanitation exercise that is slated for 4th of October. And His Excellency has assured us he's going to give the agency the usual support that he has been giving the agency. He is a proponent of good health and sustainable environment. So he has assured us that the dump sites will be adequately maintained, and then bigger and better dump sites also provided. We also want to use this opportunity to advise Rivers people that the fact that the environmental sanitation exercise following the advice of His Excellency has been put off for the 4th of October, pending when better arrangements have been made, does not mean that we should go and sleep. Sanitation is everyday exercise. So we urge each and every one that while we are not observing the exercise, you can still observe it in your homes. We advise you to still make sure that your refuse are properly bagged, and then also avoid doing the things that we said you shouldn't do. Dumping of waste on the median and on the drainages are still prohibited, whether we are observing the sanitation or not. These acts are purely prohibited. The Excellency has also assured us that he's going to make a provision for us to give the service providers all the necessary support. So we still urge Rivers people, clean your environment, bring out your waste. Service providers are there to come and pick them up, but make sure you dump them at the provided receptacles. Thank you and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.